On a sunny morning, forest animals gathered excitedly to watch a special race, the speedy hare against the patient tortoise. The hare laughed loudly. "You want to race me? You're far too slow."
I will take your challenge, Hare.
I'll take it steadily.
Ready, set, go! The hare dashed off. The hare zoomed through the forest, leaping over rocks and streams. Soon, the tortoise was nowhere in sight. The tortoise kept walking, one slow step at a time. He never stopped, never complained, always moving forward. The hare looked back, smiling proudly. "I have plenty of time," he thought. "I'll just take a quick nap." The cool breeze felt wonderful. The hare lay beneath a shady tree and soon fell into a deep sleep. Much later, the tortoise quietly passed the sleeping hare. He smiled gently and kept walking without a sound. The finish line was close now. Waiting animals cheered loudly. "Keep going, tortoise! You can do it!" With one final step, the tortoise crossed the finish line first. The forest erupted with joyful cheers and celebration. The hare lowered his head. "I was too proud. I'm sorry," he said. The tortoise smiled warmly at his friend. From that day on, the hare stayed humble, and the tortoise earned everyone's respect, proving slow and steady wins the race.